Hey, what's going on? We are going to be doing a 7-session facilitation in February, March 2022. I'm teaming up with Dr. Keely Schell, a PhD in classics from Brown University. We are going to survey the Western lyric tradition while kind of expanding and opening up your own lyric practice. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with Sappho and we're going to work forward to all the way till we get to Petrarch. And along the way, we're going to have all these incredible stops where we really look at what you can do in your own writing in terms of expanding and adding richness and depth to what you do. So you're going to get customized consultations and written feedback from both myself and Dr. Schell. And it's just a really unique opportunity to really grow and deepen that kind of foundation of yours in the lyric practice. So if you look at a poet today, like what Louise Glick is doing, for example, clearly her depth and understanding of the Western lyric tradition is very strong. And that enables her to do the types of things that she's done. Now, I'm not saying we're going to turn you into the next Louise Glick, but I can say that by doing this, your practice and your depth and your reach is going to grow. So I'm really excited to be offering this to you. I really want to see you join me on Zoom to do this. Just drop me a line. Any questions, any type of questions you have, all the details are down below. Any questions you have, really, I'm super chatty, super easy to reach. I'm happy to answer your questions and get into stuff with you. And if you're in a situation where money's really tight, this is not this is super inexpensive workshop. But if you're in a situation where money's really tight, you're experiencing economic hardship, just let me know and maybe we can work something out. Okay? So I want to hear from absolutely everybody. Okay? Thanks, guys.